Hi YouTube, I'm going to be filming this video this way because I think I've just not propped my camera properly and it keeps sliding. It's the whole thing. So I hope this works. It's going to be another nighttime routine. I can't be sure if I'm going to get a lot of redness if I wash my face. I can see that this redness is still visible, and I applied TCA I think a couple nights ago just on my hyperpigmentation around my mouth, avoiding the hypopigmented areas, and I can see that it's flaky today. And I applied that TCA peel while I had sunscreen on. You're not supposed to do it that way. I took a Q-tip, dipped it into 15% TCA, and I grazed the skin around my mouth and while I had sunscreen on, so it didn't penetrate deeply into my skin, but I'm still experiencing flaking and peeling. And another thing I want to let you know is that I did not experience a lot of stinging, so it was very, very gentle. And I think that the way I can see a positive impact on my hyperpigmentation is by using gentle exfoliation and doing it frequently and not giving the hyperpigmented area a lot of time to go back to its bad habits of being hyperpigmented for no reason. Alright, I'm going to wash my face with Vanicream Gentle Cleanser. Vanicream Gentle Cleanser, just one pump is more than enough. My eyes feel really itchy. I don't actually know why. I'm going to go on with Hylamide SubQ Skin. It's my favorite serum for my eyes. It has peptides and hyaluronic acid, so it's particularly great for dry, crepey skin. And the hydrolyzed yeast extract is particularly great for chronic itch. There is evidence behind it. I'm going to do a concentrated application just on my right eyebrow because that's where my irritation is. Next, I'm going to use Glycerin. Here we go. So my routine this week is going to be very similar. I'm almost out of Cerave night moisturizer, so I put it upside down to get any of the, look at all that product. Guys, Cerave night moisturizer is 18 bucks. It's no longer affordable. Shoppers had it for $13 for the longest time, and I never purchased it. Sorry, not Shoppers. Superstore had it for 13 bucks for the longest time, and I never purchased it, and they hiked it up to $18 when they made their own CeraVe dupe, like the generic version, which I'm so mad about. They wanted to show that their product is only for $5 and CeraVe's is for $18 to kind of create that, like, oh my god, this is significantly cheaper. But the reason why I haven't purchased the Shoppers / Superstore / Loblaws version of Cerave PM moisturizer is because they have a preservative that I'm particularly irritated by. So I just don't think it's worth the risk for me, even though it's only $5. I love the price tag, but I don't think it's worth it for me. Okay, so my skin surprisingly doesn't feel very irritated, so I'm very happy about that. Next, I'm going to go with Bifida Ferment Lysate, great for irritated skin. And the unique thing about Bifida is that it actually works better than Lactococcus Ferment Lysate. You guys, I think I should purchase Cerave's Baby Moisturizer, because that one you get like 400 and something mils of product, and it has niacinamide, it has your typical ceramides, it also has, I think, 1 or 2 amino acids, which again is great for skin and the skin barrier, but I think it's thicker. But I think that I'm gonna enjoy that because that is the same price as the Cerave PM, and you literally get like 5 times the product. Next, copper amino isolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wanted to show you the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is 120 mils and it was $14 US. I transferred it into a red spray bottle to make the application easy. I'm just concentrating it around my mouth because that's where my hyperpigmentation is, and take the remainder on my forehead because I'm starting to get hyperpigmentation on the temples. Finacea 15%. It's been a while since I applied Finacea all over my face, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And that is it for my skincare routine. It was a lot different, but very similar. I had fewer products, and I am very happy that my skin has calmed down significantly. I do believe a lot of credit goes to the colloidal oatmeal mask that I did this morning, and I really hope that I can do another one tomorrow and that it really helps further with my hyperpigmentation and, further with my redness and irritation around my cheeks. I'm also very hopeful that after this week, going into August, I can get back into using tretinoin regularly and get back into doing my Jesner's peel, and I can show you what those look like and what the process is like. I can also, I think towards the end of August, I should be able to get into TCA peels. Maybe that's too ambitious, I don't know. But if you have any questions for me from my routine today, please leave them down below. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean so much to me. And like this video if you like this video, and share this with a friend. And thanks so much for watching. Take care.